Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bakan omdan kanu kejing keta kejing edai hapadeng kesang NPP bat ke UDP. Hadian belami result jong ke election MLA hasok yong constituency. Uloong baladadai bandan kejing keta kejing edai kena debanja nado ke election MLA hakasnam arhajar arpulai. Wala keladon kejing penon kam miki kitien kentho ki bahar rukom. Nrei kejing edai kelayaine kum ki parlok hakas sarkar senrop MDA. Halor kejingkeli la ke UDP kan do ekowek syuki menteri badantung no da kesang PDF. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula keren naga basai bakam syamladon kan no kuno karai bantung menteri sarkar ya udkhot jong kesang PDF. Hadian biklawan ban benrap lang no bat kesang NPP.
Political parties can say what they have to say. Government has to follow procedures, and the procedures will be followed in all aspects. See, we have also spoken in election time, even during the 2023 general election time also. But if you recall, after the election, we have all come together and we stressed on the fact that we have been working in the past 5 years to take the state forward, and in that same spirit, we want to continue. Hence, yes, in elections, this is the nature of elections, and political parties will give speeches, and sometimes words will go out of control sometimes. But overall, as I said, we as a coalition, as MDA, we have always kept the larger interest of the state in mind.
Has a relationship between UDP and NPP being affected because of the campaign you have been going on?
No, if it had to be affected, it would have been affected in 2023 general election. Even in 2023 general election, there was a lot of language that was used, but still we continued.
Whether one cabinet bird of the UDP will be snatched away with PDF joining the government?
No such decision has been made. As I said, these are all speculations that are being done in the market.